What's up, y'all? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I created this cute hairstyle using an Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel and Tame My Edges Edge Control. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to go ahead and start off by parting my hair so I can get it prepared for the style. And I'll be taking that excess hair and clipping that off so it's not in my way. And as you can see, I've parted off my hair. I'm going to grab the elongating curling gel and just go ahead and apply that to that first section. And let me just tell y'all, this hair gel smells amazing. And as you can see, I'm just working it through that section. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the Tame My Edges Edge Control and applying that to the section as well. And I absolutely love this edge control. It gives a really strong hold, but it's soft at the same time. So I'm going ahead and dividing off the next section, making sure I smooth that out a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie that up. And I'll be doing the exact same thing to the other side, smoothing it out and tying it up. I'm gonna go ahead and braid those two little sections that I've just tied up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to that second back part and just split that down the middle. Grab the edge control again and smooth that area out. And then what we'll be doing is grabbing the first braid and crossing that over to the back section, as you can see I'm doing, and tying that off. And then I'll be doing the exact same thing with the other side, crossing that over and tying that off. As you can see, I'm creating a crisscross effect. I'll just be braiding those two sections off next. Now that we have this part done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the back section of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I absolutely love this gel. Not only does it smell so good, but it has moisturizing conditioners in there like flaxseed, shea butter, extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that edge control again, smooth down my edges. Got to make sure they're nice and laid, okay? And as you can see, I'm brushing that in. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit more of that edge control and smoothing down the back of my head as well. We got to make sure the edges is laid all the way around. Combing out that section. And I'm going to go ahead and tie that off. And as you can see, I have that tied up. And I'm going to go ahead and braid that next. And now that it's all braided, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate it a little bit so it looks a little bit more full. And I'll be taking those additional braids and wrapping that around the bun. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the edge control again and smooth out my baby hairs. And I'm gonna grab this pack of cute gold clips I have and go ahead and add that to the style just to spice it up a little bit. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment if you're feeling this style. Subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.